Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Tech and ICT Solutions, with another new video tutorial. Today, I will show, how can we change our Gmail theme or background. At first, we need to log in Gmail account. Now click on Setting option. After this, we need to click on Theme menu. You can see a lot of theme for use. From there, you can select anyone. In My Photos option, you find all of your previous photos, which you use. You can change photos from here. After watching this video, I hope now, you can do this very easily. For next video tutorial, press the bell button. Thanks for watching this video. Please, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.